The launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G is right around the corner, but the design of the next-gen foldable smartphone is still under the wraps. According to our source, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G will come in Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze colors, as shown in the renders. The renders show that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G will have a book-like folding mechanism just like the first-gen model. However, there are a few major changes, with the most significant being the shift from a traditional notch to the punch hole for the inner and the outer displays. The bezels around the outer display are now much slimmer. Thanks to this, Samsung has been able to squeeze in a bigger cover display. The hinge mechanism, although looks a bit thicker at first glance, it has a better design compared to that of the first-gen model. We can see that the triple camera setup on the back will be vertically aligned and flanked by an LED flash. The entire camera housing will protrude slightly from the rest of the back panel. The design of the camera module looks similar to that of the Galaxy Note 20. Specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G have also leaked ahead of the August 5 launch event. According to the rumor mill, the smartphone will come with a 6.23-inch Super AMOLED cover display and a 7.7-inch Super AMOLED primary foldable display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It is said to pack a triple camera setup with 64-megapixel, 12-megapixel, 12-megapixel sensors on the back, while a 10-megapixel camera is reportedly on the inner, foldable screen. Then there's the storage capacity, which is said to go up to 512 GB. As the name suggests, it will support 5G connectivity. There will be two batteries inside the smartphone with a combined capacity of 4,356 mAh and 15-watt wireless and 15-watt reverse charging support. As for the price, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G is said to cost $1,980, which is pretty much what the first-generation Galaxy Fold was priced at the time of its launch. Thanks for watching.